Here is a super rare desk fan I have. I got this last week from a yard sale. It is a Delonghi brand, made in Taiwan. Now this is the same style as the windmere fans from the time, and I have a windmere I'm going to show which has the same style piano keyboard buttons. This has a mesh grill here, white blades. Some of the plastic has been discarded, like this is off switch here, the screw for the blade, and some other plastic parts like the neck on the side here. Now the mesh grill makes it super rare because not many fans from this time have this style grill, and this looks newer than the windmere I have. Also, the speeds, it doesn't say numbers or low through high, it has the size of the fan blades instead. It's quiet fan. I did clean up and oil the motor on this one. Now I'm going to turn it on and then show the rest. Here's the back side. It looks just like a windmere fan from the time. And I'm going to show the windmere right now. Actually, this windmere is heavier, feels heavier when at the carrying handle. This is lighter. Even they're both the same style, but this one is slightly better shape with the plastic than this one. Except this one has chrome grills, whereas this one has the mesh grills, and these are painted, not chrome. This fan still works great too. There's a knob here. This has been yellowed. This neck here is yellowed. Here's the sticker underneath. Model number is FG12, made in Taiwan. Looks like this fan was made in 1990 based off this sticker. As the color looks too modern for 80s. 80s are usually chrome, but not this one, as it's a white paint. Here's the startup of it. So there it is, video of my rarest desk fan, one of the rarest desk fans I've seen. Especially branded Delonghi, which makes kitchen appliances, heaters, air conditioners, dehumidifiers. This fan definitely was made by another company and they put their name on. So there you go.